channel, and you know what, I am in this mall, Palladium Mall, as you can see. So yeah guys, I have just received the gift from Kipling, so yay, they guys made my day. And what I got this Kipling gift from them, and so I will be showing you soon. So yeah guys, I'm so happy that they made my day. So yeah, I am here at Palladium Mall. As you can see all around, it is a big mall here in Mumbai. So I just want to show you this thing also. This is the Michael Kors brand. As you can see, I don't know you are able to see this thing or not. Yeah, so you can see these cute bags. I hope I got just good bag. Actually, I have seen that they have given me some striped bags. So yeah, looking forward to see that also. So yeah guys, I am just heading towards my dinner, having dinner. So as soon as I will reach my home, I will be opening that goodie and will show you guys that what I got in that bag. So yeah, you can see all things around there. It's a beautiful lovely cake that they made out of some papers, I don't know what. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so this is the Palladium Mall in Mumbai. As you can see, they are celebrating this new year. So yeah guys, I am here at Palladium Mall and celebrating New Year. So, and I just received a handbag from Kipling. That is the gift that actually I just entered in the contest. They Palladium Mumbai were organizing some of the contests, so I just won the contest, so yay for me. And so they guys made my day, and I just I am coming back from taking that handbag, and that I will be showing you later what I get in that handbag. So actually the brand was Kipling brand. So yeah, I'm so happy guys, and so it's me. So yeah, you can see around the nice handbags showrooms are there, and all the mall is decorated according to the New Year theme. As you can see the big cake over there, oh my god, so huge. All the people are hanging around, and it's me. Happy New Year 2016, welcome 2016. Hey guys, so this is the Palladium Mall from the very ground floor. As you can see the cake, they have made a beautiful cake out of those things. So yeah, they have kept some these reindeer rides also to take pictures. All the kids are taking their pictures. So yeah, you can see the lightings over there. I'm just loving the lightings. They are so good. So yeah, as you can see here, all the lightings, it is so beautiful guys. It is so very beautiful. And here guys. So yeah, this is Swarovski brand. You can see I was expecting one gift from this brand. Actually I was looking forward to take one diamond ring from me, and sure I will get one because in recent years I have been purchased this diamond ring, as you can see. So yeah, I am looking forward to take one diamond ring from Swarovski also. This is from GD brand. So yeah guys, so see you, bye.